is me, Eliza, and I would like to welcome to another episode of Mindtech. In today's episode, we're going to talk about what is quantitative research instrument. But first, let us talk about what is quantitative research. So, quantitative research uses numbers and data to study things. It's about collecting and analyzing information to find patterns or relationships. It's precise and often involves surveys, experiments, or statistical methods to understand and explain phenomena. Quantitative research involves gathering numerical data to examine a specific problem, phenomenon, or behavior. It uses structured methods like surveys, experiments, or statistical analysis to measure and understand relationships, patterns, or trends within the data. It aims to provide objective, measurable insight that can be analyzed statistically. Quantitative research means collecting numbers to study something specific, like a problem or behavior. It uses organized ways, like surveys or experiments, to measure and understand how things relate or change. Its goal is to give clear, measurable facts that can be studied with math. It's like using numbers to understand and explain why things happen the way they do. Quantitative research instrument is a tool, like a survey or task, used to gather numerical data. To create one, define research goals, craft clear questions, ensure reliability, and pilot test it. For instance, a survey could be self-made or adopted, with sections like demographics, usage, preferences, and a Likert scale from 1 to 5 for answers. The title clarifies its purpose, and sections organize the questionnaire, making it easier to gather specific data. A survey can be made by yourself or changed from another one. It can ask about things like who you are, how you use things, like what you like, and what you can answer using a scale, like rating from 1 to 5. The title of the survey tells you what it's about, and different sections help you to organize the question, so it's easy to find the information you need. This is an example of a research instrument in a research manuscript. The researcher will use a modified instrument for the study. The teacher's profile and mathematical competence in general mathematics for the teachers, and students' mathematical capability in general mathematics test for the students. The TPMCGM will consist of teachers' demographic profile in Section 1, their level of mathematical competence in terms of the different aspects of general mathematics in Section 2, and will be answered of the scales of 1 to 5. The SMCGMT will also comprise of scales of 1 to 5. The following question will be about their level of mathematical competence in terms of the following aspects of general mathematics. Here are some friendly tips for students when creating a quantitative research instrument. Number 1. Define clear objectives. Clearly outline what you want to explore or understand through your research instrument. Having a clear goal will guide your questions and design. Number 2. Select the right type. Choose the appropriate instrument, whether it's a survey, test, or observation. The best suits your answer's objective and the type of data you need. Number 3. Craft clear questions. Make sure your questions are easy to understand and ambiguous. Avoid jargon or complex phrasing that might confuse respondents. Number 4. Ensure reliability and validity. Check that your instrument consistently measures what it's supposed to measure. Test for reliability by ensuring consistent result, and validity by assessing if it measures what it intends to do. Number 5. Consider pilot testing. Before using it widely, test your instrument on a small group to identify any issues with questions, flow, or interpretation. Number 6. Keep it user-friendly. Make the instrument easy to complete. Use logical flow, concise wording, and consider the respondent's perspective for a positive experience. Number 7. Provide clear instructions. If using scales or specific format for answers, ensure clear instructions on how to respond to each question.
Number 8. Respect privacy and ethics. Include a confidentiality statement or explanation of how data will be used to reassure respondents and maintain ethical standards. Number 9. Title and sections. Give your instrument an appropriate title and organize it into sections for clarity. Each question should focus on a specific aspect of your research. And lastly, number 10. Seek feedback. Don't hesitate to seek feedback from peers, mentors, or instructors. Constructive criticism can greatly enhance the quality of your instrument. And lastly, I would like to give you a short quote by Zora Neale Hurston. Research is formalized curiosity. It is poking and prying with a purpose. So before I end this episode, I would like to give you the Mindtech hashtag, which is the hashtag may matutunan ka na, aware ka pa. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in our next episode here in Mindtech. Goodbye guys!